Oh, kaibigan! Narek!
Hoy! Hi guys!
Hi guys! Ito,
Team
hatchback, Nissan Tida. Anong sira na ito, pare?
Oh.
Still we don't know what is the problem.
The problem is the owner.
Yeah, I need to check it first and then we will let you know guys.
Okay. Watch out for development for this car, ha?
Oh.
Yes. We have car.
Tapos yung isa kaibigan, tapos yung isa. Anong
This one?
narit mo? Ano?
This one, Mazda. My car. My car.
There's a problem for
2006 model, but
Problem for the owner?
no. And the mechanic is
Tawad Smelly.
Bonjing.
Yung vlog nito mga to, sabi nila oh.
Is the transmission. See, look at this. This is the transmission.
Replace
So,
transmission.
Replace transmission. Inshallah. Good. So, all Filipino out there, guys, visit us
Almadar.
Our shop here in Albandar.
Almadar.
Almadar pala.
Ayun. Ayun.
Almadar. Look. And this is the mechanic, the expert,
Thanks.
the specialist. We have three mechanic here, 2 Filipino and
Pakistani.
1 Pakistani. Okay? Na?
Naku po, ito na.
Ano na?